Hi friends, this is Khushbu Bobde and I am here to introduce some lucrative ways on online jobs for students. As we know, the world is moving on advanced level of digital platform. There are many lavishing ways to earn from internet. So in today's generation, there are best opportunities you will find on internet to earn few bucks from home. In today's expensive world, every next person is in search of jobs and work from home easily. So if I talk about the internet world, it is a devastating opportunities available on it. So in today's eon, everyone is experts using various gizmos. Make a worthy use of it. Internet is like a boon for this era, so prefer the best options for your own and work from home. As if you are a college student and trying to bring out your expenses by your own way, then here in this video you will find great opportunities for yourself. There are amazing choices that you can opt and widen yourself for generating money. As we know, the use of internet has been increased vigorously. So in that case, you have to keep your eyes and mind open because there are many scam sites that acquires money from people. So be aware of that fake sites and don't get into that fake sites. Moving on to the core point, I would like to share some overview of the options. First of all, blogging. Blogging is the best way for college students because their schedule is not fixed and according to it you can work by your own. Share your views and go for the blogging option for earning or generating money from home. Blogging is the option through which you can't make money overnight. For that, you need to follow some exact procedures which is required for it. So, you need to work hard along with the smart work and you will be best in this field. Second option is of service. There are many multinational companies who provides the job for the students or some people who are eagerly waiting for earning. There are survey sites who are mediator of these multinational companies through which you can give your reviews and opinions for some products and services. So this is the best way and easy way for you to earn from home because you can earn in your free time by relaxing on your couch even. Tertiary option is of typing jobs, so you will find many ways in it. For this, you need a good typing skill along with an internet connection, so you have a good opportunity to earn and make some bucks through this option. So moving on to the next option, that is of ad posting work. There are many companies who are interested to promote their business or services through many classified sites. So ad posting is the option through which you can earn easily. Coming over the next point, that is of YouTube. YouTube is the world's famous video sharing site. So you are able to share your own videos through this and earn easily from YouTube. So you can upload your videos depending upon any topic or subject that is based on singing, dancing or many more. The next one is of tutoring jobs. So if you have a good skills and having a knowledge for any subject or topic, you can earn through this option because you are going to share your knowledge through some videos or you can teach even online by tutoring work. So the next option, which is last but not the least, is of freelancing. Freelancing is the work that you can do by your own way. There are no targets and you can earn easily through this by working at a short time period. So these were the best prime options through which you can earn, but for more introductory details you need to visit on K Online Jobs, that is an online knowledge sharing hub. So if you have any more suggestions, you can comment it below. I will surely recommend or I will make sure that I will make a good changes on it.